Today's video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the department shift function on your XE-A203 or 206 registers. In this video I'm using the model 203, but the process will be the same on the 206. So quick introduction to the till. You generally have the key in the register mode or reg mode for sales, and when you sell an item on any cash register you type in the amount of money if it's an open button retail machine, and then you need to assign that amount of money to one of your departments. Now the number of departments on a till will vary. This machine has 16 department buttons, which are these ones here, so you would type in the price and then hit one of your department keys, $9.99, department 14. You repeat that procedure for each line of the sale, and then subtotal, and then you would cash the sale off. What these machines have also got is a department shift function, so this basically doubles the number of departments you've got from 16 to 32. So to use the department shift function, it's a very similar process. You type in the price, but then before you press the department button you hit department shift, then press the department button and it changes department 16, for example, in that case, to department 32. Repeat that procedure. $1.99, department shift into what was department 12 and it's now department 28. If I just do $1.99 into the button, it goes straight back to department 12. So it's a one hit, you press it once, it jumps to that department and then it skips back to the normal departments. The only difference would be if you've got the buttons preset. So on this machine I've pre-programmed department 17 with a preset description and a preset amount, so all I would do in that case is hit the shift key and then press my department 1 or 17 and it defaults to department 17. If I reuse the button, it's jumped back to my VAT sales, which is my department 1. Again, I can then subtotal £50 cash in the sales process. So the departments, obviously they just appear the same, they're just like the other departments, they just don't have their own button. So 32, 28 have appeared on the receipt as normal, and then they are also on your end of day report. So there's just a way of doubling up the number of categories of sales you've got on the machine. In terms of the programming of them, it's very similar. You just bring the department shift button into play. So we'll have a quick look. I won't go mad because I don't want the video to be too long, but MA key, so to do any programming you need the key marked MA. Pop it in here and then turn the key round to the key lock stuck a bit, pop it in, nice, but key round to PGM. Now the way you program a normal department now would be to just press the department button and it would then jump to it. So if we looked at my department 6, you press it and then it comes up and says enter 00 key, and then you go through the programming. Obviously I've got another video showing you how to do the programming, so you can follow that there. With obviously this video we're looking mainly at department shift, so if we wanted to program our department shift, our department 32 in the PGM mode, we would press department shift, then the appropriate department button. It would come up and say department 32. You then press 00. We'll just give it a really basic name. So you press 00, then you type in your description. Description entered. You then press TMST. It jumps to the price. So if you want it with a preset price you would enter that now. We don't, so we skip it by pressing TMST. Department entry type is open, so that's correct. Select tax of 1. Obviously this is going to be dependent on your business. Mine, I want tax 1 applied to it, so I skip with yes. You've then got tax 2, that should be no. Tax 3 would be no. Tax 4, no. Registration type normal instead of single item cash sale, and then the sign should be positive. Limit digits, again like a normal department you can limit the amount of digits you can register through. Subtotal, and then it will jump to department 33. Press TLNS to end the programming. It gives you a little printout of what you've done, and if we pop the key back round to the register position, it should be a case of entering the price, $9.99, department shift 32, and then we've got our new department 32 programmed. Okay, so I hope that video has been helpful. I'm showing you how to use the department shift function to get more out of your 203 or 206. We've got plenty more videos on the 203 and 206. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.